How to install Rosebud app. So here's AI journal and diary app. So let's take a look at it. Rosebud is your personal AI-powered self-care companion. Rosebud is a therapist-backed journal and habit tracker designed to improve your mental health. Rosebud is a diary that evolves with you, learning from your entries and providing personalized prompts, feedback, and insights tailored to your growth. The best daily journaling app, therapist-backed and recommended, features for daily self-improvement, impact on mental health, privacy first, and then you can just open it up. And then let's just try to create an account here. And then you just need to go through some onboarding. So here's how it looks like. And then what was the highlight of your day? So then you can just write it here. And then what was stressful about today? So then you can just write the ideas. So whatever. So and then finish entry. And then here's entry reflection. And then, yeah, you can just see this session just like that. So it's kind of like a quick reflection. So, and then you can also read it. So that's basically the idea. So that's your first entry. Then you can just enter the goals and you can create your goals. And then there are streaks. And then here it is. Then monthly, you can have it for $13 per month or annually $108. Then there is like a quick tour. And then you can see all of the details, explore insights and history, and then you can also just the whole journaling, you have it here. Then you can also connect with some other experts. Then there are some other insights, and then there is like a history. And today, yeah, so then you can just see this, some additional settings. So that's basically the idea of the app in a nutshell. That's what you have. And then if you want, you can then just upgrade to additional version, premium version. So that's the app. Kind of try it out.